below, guys. This is how to build an airplane in Monkey Blocks, the new Gorilla Tag update. First, you want to get 4 of these long blocks. So 2. You want to come over here, get 2 of these blocks, and then you want to do this so they're like that. If I can place them like that, place them again like that. So should look like that. Okay. This is a glitch that you have to do this and then do this. Okay, now you want this to go into the middle and go into the middle. So you want 3 of those and then 3 down here. So it should look like that. And then you want to put the stabilizer on the back. So put 2 of these blocks on, and then go over here. You want one of these blocks, actually 2 of them. So, and then so you want to not do that because it's not how it goes. There. The plane is going. And that is how to make an airplane. If you want to add stuff to this, you can. Maybe you want to add like 18,000 more wings. Maybe you want to add, what else is there you can add onto this? Maybe a flag. Maybe you want to do that. Or if you want to put like one of these like little GT things in the back, you could come over here and see this block. I need like 4 of them to do this. But you can like place these onto the back. So, and then if you want to do that and then like do this, and then get one of the flags. Where did the other flag go? Oh, it disappeared through the map. And then like do that. I kinda like this design. Yeah, so that's how you make an airplane in this new game mode. So, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next time.